Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have something special to share with you. This is Illuminated door seals for a launch series edition for the new Model Y Juniper. You can just basically place on top of your original door seals. You don't have to remove or uninstall anything at all, and they should be really easy to install. You can install on the launch series, or you can just install on the regular Model Y series, but you will have a really cool launch series on the new Model Y. So in today's video, I'll show you what comes in the box, and then step by step, super easy installation, and it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to install each of the door seals, and then we'll test it out and see how they look in the new Model Y Juniper launch series. Now let's go. Let's see what comes in the box of this Model Y Juniper launch edition illuminated door seals. And here what came in the box. Let's check out the door seals, the main one first. So these two are the front and these two are the rear. So the rear doesn't have any door seals with the car, but the two already have exiting door seals from the factory, but we don't have to remove that. This basically covers the factory one, and you just install on top of it. And I choose the color that is matching the original matte black color of the current door seal of the car, but it's of course illuminated as a launch series, so I don't lose that launch series logo on the original door seals, and now it's illuminated. So it came pre-installed with the battery inside, the two batteries on each one. And these door seals actually last a long time. I had the same thing on my Model 3, the older Model 3, for 3.5 years, and it was still working before I sold the car. And it also came with extra batteries. So these are CR2032 batteries. You can replace it if needed, but this will last a long time, and all the extra tools that you need. So these foam rings, as you can see here, the rings that you'll be positioning the center of the door seal, which is this one right here. So do not remove this yet until you're done with the installation. Also some spares and extra pieces for the adhesive, and also the metal piece for the sensor, and instruction manual how to install it. These are really simple and easy to install. Now let me show you where to get this from. You can get this new illuminated door seals for the launch series from Handshow or handshow.com. As you can see here, there is only one option actually, and if you are interested, you can use my special discount code DAD for extra 20% off. Right now, let's go and install it in the Model Y Juniper. Alright, let's start with the installation. So before we start, you will need clean cloth, and then just the cleaning spray and rubbing alcohol. Before we start cleaning, let me show you something real quick. So this is a launch edition door seals that came with the car. So this will just cover the current one in the car, so you don't have to actually remove the original one, because if you buy something that is a little special like launch series, you want to keep the original door seals or original parts in the car instead of removing and then replacing with the aftermarket. In this case, it's perfect because you just have to cover the illuminated function door seals from aftermarket, and if you ever want to get the original one, you can just remove, and then you will have the original one back. Now let's clean it up first. So first, just use the clean towel and then some cleaning spray or cleaning solution, and then clean the surface. So you basically just clean the original door seals. After it's dried, use the rubbing alcohol a little bit, and then clean the surface again. Make sure there's no dust, small dust on the surface. Now after the alcohol is dry, just remove the adhesive cover on both positions underneath the illuminated door seals, and then just place it over the current one. So just press it down on those two positions that we just removed the adhesive cover. I'll just press it down and leave it for a good 30 seconds to make sure it sticks really well. Before we go to the next step, make sure do not remove the plastic cover yet, because the position of the sensor is on the cover itself. Make sure everything is all done. Then last step is to remove the cover. So next step here, to use the foam ring that came in the package and make sure the adhesive side, the sticky side, it's up, and then place it on the sensor position on the door seal. Then you just have to close the door. That sticky part and the ring should stick underneath the door now. As you can see, the ring is no longer there. Now it's right underneath the door, just right there. And now we have to take off this metal right here on the cover. So every door seal should come with one of these on the cover. And then peel off the adhesive. This is magnet sensor, and then just place it into the middle of that foam ring that sits underneath the door. So this magnet sensor will, when you close the door, it will sit right here. So every time it closes, it sensor to the light to turn off. All right, so just leave this on for a little bit. Now we just have to close the door, and when we open, it should illuminate. As you can see, that's it. So that's the driver, that's the passenger front, passenger side. This is probably the easiest one because it already has the door seals from the car. Just have to cover, you don't have to position anything. So the rear one doesn't have any door seals, as you can see. So we have to position it correctly to install the rear one. And last but not least, as I mentioned before, just remove the cover. So it only illuminates for a few seconds. As you can see, it's already turned off itself. So that's why I said the battery should last a couple years at least. And the finish, it's basically the same as the original door seals underneath it. It looks really nice and clean. Love that Illuminated launch series right in the middle. Right now, let's install the one in the rear. The one in the rear is the same here, so just clean the surface first with just regular cleaning solution. And after that's dried, use the rubbing alcohol to clean the surface again. After the alcohol is dry, let's position the door seals first. As I mentioned before, we have to position this one ourselves because it doesn't have anything underneath it. So I would position this edge right here to there's like the cutting line between the rubber seals on the door itself. I'm not sure if every car is the same. So if not the same, I would it's only part of flat surface that you can attach the adhesive on. So just move around. I would try to move around and then find that flat surface. And on the outer side, it's probably that much. I kind of aim it from the one right here. So this is how much space left on the outside and on the inside. So I just eyeball it to the right position. So because it's on, let's say this one and the one on the other side, it's not exact the same, you can't really tell because they are actually too far from each other to actually match it. So I would position it right about here. Okay, before we place it on, make sure you are using the right one. So this is RR, mean right rear, which is on the passenger side in my car, and then on the rear, because the sensor should be on the left side. Alright, now let's remove, and do not remove the cover just yet. So remove the adhesive cover, both of them. If you're not sure, just put masking tape to the position that you aimed before. I don't really have to. I think I know exactly where to put it. And then just you kind of still move around actually, so you can find that perfect position that the adhesive will just stick on. If you still can move, that means the adhesive doesn't stick. So you should be able to stick this right over here. So place it down for 30 seconds. Alright, so if you're not sure the position that you found before, So just find the position and then just put before you remove the adhesive cover, put under this foam tape. You see a little foam that came in the package, this guy, and then just position it so you know exactly where to put it back on. So I found it just about right here. It sticks, as you can see. I held it down and then it's not going anywhere. So just use that, and after you're done, just remove it. Right, so same thing here. Use the circle foam. Make sure the adhesive side it's up like so. And then now we have to close the door. And it should stick on underneath the door panel. Now the same process here, just remove the magnet tab from the cover here, the plastic cover, and then stick it. As you can see there, it's right in the middle of the ring. Now we just have to close the door and then open, and it should be illuminated. As you can see, looks really cool. And last but not least, remove the cover. And just repeat the same process on the other side. Right, the installation is pretty much done. Looks really good and super easy to install. Now let me show you how they look in the new Model Y Juniper Launch Edition. Alright, they all look really good. This is the front passenger side, and then the rear. As I mentioned before, just eyeball it on the rear. Just move it around wherever it sticks well, stay there, and it lights up nicely. So much different from, of course, the non-illuminated version on the Launch series, and I still can keep the Launch series badge underneath it. As you can see, it doesn't stay really long, and you can use it for a long time without changing the batteries at all. As you can see in the video, the illuminated door seals for the Launch series special edition in the new Model Y Juniper looks really awesome, and they are really easy to install. The front part, just cover it, probably took like less than 5 minutes each of them, and then the rear, you just have to aim the right position and then just install it. You don't have to remove any original part from the car. That's probably my favorite part of this installation, because I can keep original door seals with the Launch series underneath it and then replace it with the new one. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this new illuminated door seals for the new Model Y Juniper Launch series, and I'll make sure to put the link in the description down below and special discount code for you too. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video, and don't forget to click like if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it what I'm